What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over Cardano. First things first, I just want to say big shout out to all of the people who are subscribing, leaving comments down below. I love replying to your guys' comments, especially the ones where the people are giving me their opinions on where they think Cardano is going to go. So make sure you go down below this video and comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know, where do you think Cardano is going to go? Do you think we're going to be going to $3, $4, or $5? So leave them down below and I'll be responding to the people that are doing that. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to bybit using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free. And once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also, too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. So for Cardano, what are we looking at here? Well, if we're just talking about some upside, this is what we have to kind of look at right here, right? So we've been talking about this for a really long time now. Let's go ahead and take this off because this thing is damn annoying. But let's go ahead and throw on our Fibonacci expansion. And to the upside, I've been looking at this as like $3.50 because we have the 1.618 to the upside right there. But the one thing is that if we pull it from the low, which is all the way down here, all the way up to this high, and we flip the Fibonacci to negative, we can see that the negative 618 comes in at the 2 of the Fib expansion. That comes in at $4. So if anybody down there in the comment section in the very beginning of the video where I was saying leave your comments on where you think it's going to go, if you guys said $4, that's where I'm thinking Cardano can blast up to if this bull market continues to run, right? Because right now Bitcoin is just blasting off. We had the hash ribbons take off. It's possible that we're going to have the super mega bullish cross coming in pretty soon on Bitcoin. It doesn't seem like Bitcoin has any type of chill. So all the altcoins are absolutely going insane. So there's just information and things that are happening in the crypto space that just scream everything is really bullish, okay? And so right here we are looking at the longer term time frame of us coming in around this $4 mark because you have this Fibonacci confluence, okay? And so if we throw it into log mode, let me get rid of all this madness here. Let's go ahead and do that and bring ourselves back over here, bring ourselves down like this. Let's actually go into the weekly time frame and take a look at Cardano here. And let's go ahead and throw this fib right here and pull this bad boy like so from the top to the bottom, bring in that expansion again, and let's throw this into log mode. I mean expansion, oh log, that's what I was supposed to do. Log mode. We can see here that on the weekly time frame, on the weekly, we have the 1.236 coming in at around $4, right? So you have 3 Fibonacci confluences to the upside. 3 of them, right? We came up and got rejected by this 1.133. I need to really change that color because nobody can see that. But we got rejected by the 133. The next level on the Fib expansion is the 1.236, which is also lining up with the negative 618 as well as the 2 from other Fibonacci pulls. So there's a lot there, but the main thing that we have to look out for, guys, is that in the bigger term time frame, in the massive term time frame, in the I don't know what year this is going to hit possibly, we do have the 1.618. We all know that the 1.618 is a very key crucial level that we could be looking at for Cardano to hit around $23, $25. Okay, so just keep all of that in mind as far as the bullishness that we can possibly see on Cardano. So just basically don't sleep on it, right? Don't sleep on Cardano. So also too, down below in the comment section, let me know what your price predictions are for Cardano to possibly hit that 25. When do you think it's going to happen? Let me know down in the comment section down below. So for some more immediate short term, let's look at the current price action. Well, let's look at this harmonic theory right here, right? We could be in right now, right? I mean, we are extremely high on the RSI. Extremely high on the RSI. But for the harmonic, we could end up coming all the way up to the tippy top. But I would say that right here, around this 2396, 1286. I mean, again, you could have your 1.414 and all this other stuff, but just around this area for the harmonic theory, it does look like it could possibly be a temporary top for us because we have the RSI that's so high. We have this. If we look at the EMAs, we're way outside of the Bollinger Band. I mean, we closed extremely high outside of the Bollinger Band, okay? And we've taken out all the highs that we talked about here. So what I would like to see, because I want it to be a little bit more healthy, because if you guys know, the faster you go up, the harder you can fall down. So I would want to see some more healthy correction with the Cardano. So I would love to see this come down a little bit. Again, if this is the case, we can trade this over on bybit and come down and kind of meet these EMAs right around this like $1.70 mark, kind of use this section area as a support resistance flip, and then continue its way to the upside, right? And again, I'm not saying that I want to pull back because I'm bearish. I'm saying I want to pull back because I want it to be healthy. I don't want us to just shoot straight up, because if that happens, then it's like, you know, we could just end up doing something like that. So that's in the immediate short term. So I would say that if we do break the all-time highs, we can go over to bybit and place those breakout orders. Or if we do start to come down and we start to see it retesting this $1.70 region, we can go on over to bybit and place those orders on Cardano. And if it does look like it's starting to fall down here, again, we can place a short over there as well. So I think that will be it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to go down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We do this on a daily basis. Join the Discord and follow me on Twitter. Most importantly, again, like we were talking about earlier, if you guys want to learn how I made $286 in 17 minutes, or how I was able to make $312 in an hour and a half, or even the super amazing luxurious crazy trade that I took where it's 4,400%, go down below, join us over on Bybit. You can get up to 1,600 for free. And most importantly, once you do that, I will send you my course for free. There's no gimmicks. There's no nothing. You don't owe me anything. All you got to do is sign up, deposit money onto the account that you just made, and start trading. Once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you my course completely for free. And if you already have an exchange with an account with another exchange somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Just take that money, even if it's on Bybit already, take that crypto, put it onto your new Bybit account that you used with my link, and I will send it to you. Just message me and let me know that you did that, and we'll hook you up with that. And then also, too, most importantly, when you join the Discord, you will be a watcher, okay? You'll be a watcher. Just post up your charts, let me know that you're serious, and then I'll change you from a watcher to a trader or charter, you can see here. And that gets you access to this trader and charter section, where we are posting up some of our ideas that are netting, you know, 2.6%. Someone right here, let's see, 7.4%. In fact, it's already up now, probably because we're taking the highs. So yeah, Max is posting up his ideas, you can see here. And there's all of that fun stuff. And then also, too, just in general, people are posting up a lot of their wins. Norse, Terry Bong, Mr. Gixer. So yeah, we're just a good community. We're actually live trading over here. We scalp trade, we day trade, we swing trade, we trade all the trades. So you guys can see here, just a bunch of people are joining in with us. So yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. Join us over on Bybit, Discord, Twitter, all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next video.